All right, boys and girls, so here is a new story. It is called Now What's That Sound? And this is also a realistic fiction. The essential question for this is what sounds can you hear and how are they made? And we're going to read about two children who hunt for a sound. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought it might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out the garage, said Martha. I think Dad is making the sound. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Zing, zing, zing. Dad was in the garage cutting a board with his saw. Zing, zing, zing. This is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother. Let's find Gramps, asked Martha. He might be making the sound. They quickly ran to the back of the house to find Gramps. Gramps was sweeping the deck with a broom. Swiss, swiss, swiss. Now, this is not that sound, said Gilbert. This sound is much softer. Let's find Anna instead, said Martha. Maybe she's making the sound. They find Anna in the driveway. Anna was bouncing a ball. Bam, bam, bam. Now, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is slower. This is hopeless, sighed Martha. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the tallest tree. Suddenly he shouted, Oh, wow! It's a bird! Look at the color in his head, cried Martha. It's red, like a red crown. The bird scrambled up and down the tree. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. It's a woodpecker pecking for bugs, said Gilbert. Yes, said Martha, and nothing sounds like it. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Fun story. Okay, thank you for listening.